Hey y'all, Billy Thompson here. If you're looking to fix up your truck, figure out what that weird noise is, or just learn a thing or two about keeping your car running right, you've come to the right place. I keep it simple, straight up, and hands-on. Go ahead and give this video a like. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And let's get to work. Enough jawing, let's dive in.
Fault code P0715 is displayed when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects a fault in the circuit for the turbo speed sensor, known as ROA. The ROA designation is normally reserved for OBD-I-equipped vehicles that use multiple input or turbine speed sensors. The sensor is located near the back of the torque converter, on the transmission input shaft. It is screwed or bolted directly onto the transmission housing. There are special grooves on the main drive shaft that run close to the end of the sensor. When the grooves pass through the transducer, the circuit is interrupted and an electronic pulse is generated. This pulse is received by the PCM as a waveform pattern, which it recognizes as the turbine speed input. The turbine input speed is compared with the engine speed, engine load percentage and transmission output speed. This is done to determine the desired RPM input speed. If the actual speed does not match the desired speed, the code P0715 will be stored and the check engine fault light will come on. Symptoms of malfunction. The main P0715 fault symptom for the driver is the illuminated MIL, malfunction indicator light. This is also referred to as the check engine or simply check engine light. It can also manifest as floating speedometer or odometer reading, hard or unstable gear changes. The automatic transmission does not shift. Increased fuel consumption. Fluctuating engine speeds and stalling attempts. The engine stalls when idling. Possible ignition gaps in the engine cylinders. The vehicle's engine may also run erratically. In some cases, when this code is present, the PCM will put the transmission into emergency operation mode. In this mode, the transmission will start working with restrictions. If the transmission starts shifting erratically when P0715 is reported, the problem must be rectified immediately. Causes of the error. The P0715 code may mean that one or more of the following problems have occurred: damaged cable harness or connectors. Faulty input speed sensor, A. Faulty output speed sensor, A. Faulty shift solenoid valve. ATF transmission fluid is contaminated. Low transmission fluid level. PCM fault or PCM programming error. How to eliminate or clear fault code P0715. Some suggested steps for troubleshooting and correcting error code P0715: connect an OBD-I scanner to the car and read any error codes present. Clear the codes and test drive the car to check if the problem is present. Check the level and condition of the transmission fluid. If the level is low, top up the fluid. If the fluid is contaminated, it should be replaced. Repair or replace any damaged wires or circuits. If the circuits and wires are okay, check all the relevant sensors and solenoid valves. Diagnosing and solving problems. Check for error code P0715 in your vehicle's technical service bulletins, TSB. Your problem may have a fix issued by the manufacturer, which can save time and money during diagnosis. Start the diagnosis with a visual inspection of the system's wiring and connectors. Damaged cables and connectors should be repaired or replaced. Don't forget to check the battery and the cables connected to it, as well as the alternator power supply. Connect the scan tool to the diagnostic port, retrieve any stored codes for later use. If sensor input and output codes are present, determine which circuit is faulty. Ensure that there is no excess metal debris on the magnetic surfaces of the sensors. For best results, remove excess debris before reinstalling them. After removing the sensors, also inspect the grooves and notches in the drive shaft. In conclusion, understanding fault code P0715 is essential for maintaining your vehicle's performance. This code indicates an issue with the input speed sensor or the turbine A circuit, which can lead to various symptoms such as erratic shifting or poor acceleration. By following the diagnostic steps and troubleshooting tips we've discussed, you can effectively identify the root cause of the problem. Remember, clearing the error code by hand can be a straightforward process, but if the issue persists, seeking professional assistance is crucial. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to warning signs will help ensure your vehicle runs smoothly for years to come. Thank you for watching, and safe driving.